So Australian Healthcare Week is the biggest healthcare event in Australasia because it brings together people from all different demographics. For example, there are nurses, doctors, investors, businesses, even just people day to day that want to learn more about healthcare.
I think it's just so important to have an understanding of what else is out there and who's doing what, and the relationships you build and the connections that you form by coming to these events are so important, because you take that back and then you can follow it up and you can make sure that what you're doing is absolutely best practice, world class, and you're having the conversations that you need to achieve that.
It's a great platform to discuss emerging technologies that's defining our interactions and make sure that we have a say for our future.
I think being able to mix with health professionals from all areas, I mean, you get very siloed in medicine and clinical areas sometimes in just your own little bit of the body, and it's nice to see how other people are changing practice. There are often lessons to be learned from that.
It's quite inspiring, frankly, because it kind of gives you ideas of how you can implement different ideas into your own workplace and your own practice.
The questions that are asked, people who don't often get to meet each other get to connect here and wander around, and why wouldn't you want to be with your colleagues that you don't always get to see?
People working directly with patients, directly with GPs, and of course specialist doctors. So hopefully we result in some great scalable partnerships as a result.
Australian Healthcare Week enables everyone, be it a nurse or somebody who works in back of house or the supply dock, an opportunity to come here and see the products that can actually benefit their jobs from a day-to-day basis, and that's why it's a fantastic forum to come to.